Okay. Wait. I'm scared.
I'm making faces to the camera.
No.
Yeah. Where's your face? There's your face. Close your eyes.
What the crap? It smells like cat anus.
How do you know what cat anus smells like? Yeah, alright, I'll be gentle.
Groping the red.
There's your... Don't lick... Don't lick me.
I'm not. That's my lip, you dumbass. Kiss me, baby.
There.
You actually did a pretty good job.
Really?
Yeah, I just got some here and there. That's orange.
Okay. Where's
That's literally looks like period blood poop shade.
Is that your other eye? Yeah, it's your
No,
eye.
that's my.
Oh, there it is. Cheeks. How am I doing?
Oh, I mean, I don't look like I got punched in the face at a bar.
Okay.
Okay, no, okay, maybe I might be a little wrong on this.
Yeah.
That hurt.
It hurt when you did it to me too, so suck it. Oh.
Shh, don't be scared.
Alright,
I think so. I don't look that bad, actually.
oh, I didn't do that bad. I didn't do that bad.
Dude, with that thing on your face, you look like
At least I tried.
I tried.
I'm pretty sure you just did whatever you wanted.
Not that. I don't. No.
I have eyeliner down here, Sydney. My eye is up here.
I don't lie. Want me to kiss it and make it better?
No, I'm good. I'm good.